Hi. Welcome to Portal 7. In this video we are going to see how you can cast or mirror your phone screen on laptop or PC screen in Windows 11. So let's start. Open Settings. Click on Apps menu. Choose Optional Features. Here click on View Features. In search box type Wireless Display. Select it and click on Next. Now click on Install. Now you can scroll down and check. It has been installed in Optional Features. Now click on System menu. Now click on Projecting to this PC. Here you will see three options. Choose Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks in first option. In second option, choose every time a connection is requested. In third option, you can set a pin for pairing. At this time I will set Never. Make sure this checkbox is on. Now click on Launch the Wireless Display app to project to this PC. Now this PC is ready to cast your phone screen. So now let's connect this phone to this PC. You can access Cast app from Settings menu or from Notification bar. Here I can see Cast option and Notification bar. This Cast option can be different on your phone. It depends on your phone brand. It can be Smart View, Screen Share, or Screencast. Click on Cast. Then it's search for nearby devices. As you see your device name, tap on it to connect. As you can see now phone screen is casting on laptop screen. To stop casting, drag down Notification bar. And you will see Stop Casting option. So this way you can cast your phone screen on laptop or PC display. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.